Just wanted to demonstrate a cold start video. I have my hand on the exhaust manifold. It's ice cold. It's been parked here overnight. One click, perfect. No smoke whatsoever. Rev it. So do you have to warm up the engine before you start driving?
When it's cold out, I give it about 2 or 3 minutes.
When it's cold out.
When it's cold out, but
So right now it's on high idle since we just started it. It's a very unique finish. And I was told it's also a very rare color. And I think Marcel did about $5,000 in maintenance in the last 6,500 miles. And I'll take pictures of all the receipts. This is where the vehicle is normally stored. Enjoy bidding. Well, let me show off the lights, since they light up better inside. Definitely didn't spare light bulbs when they made these.